Nan, nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to our Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Bing's Kitchen for sending us their goodies. After a while, na-miss ko ulit itong pag-vlog dito sa bahay. Good thing, napaka-eye-appetizing at the same time, ang bango po ng mga pinadala ni Bing's Kitchen para sa atin. So for those of you who doesn't know, so Bing's Kitchen is a new business na gusto magpakilala po sa atin. It's a weekend baker, sabi niya sa akin dun sa orientation namin. Kasi if you want to order these products, yan, so they are open for orders Monday to Sunday, and then during Saturdays and Sundays, they're gonna deliver this to you. So let me introduce yung mga pagkain po na sinend nila sa atin. A lot of them are, kumbaga, bread-based. And then, meron din tayo ditong mga baked sushi. So, I wanna go first with their baked sushi. So, there are two flavors na available po. The first one is the cheesy kani. And then, the next flavor is the salmon cream cheese. Now, available po siya sa mga ganitong servings. So, we have 2 to 3 packs. Meron din tayong 5 to 6 packs. Meron din tayong mga combo. So, 2 flavors in 1 pan. So, I wanna taste this one. First. Ayan, so meron tayong mga seaweeds dito, of course. Oh. Wow. Oh man. Yaman na. This time, this is the salmon. Yaman na. So my take, yung salmon cream cheese natin, parang there's a flavor of wine. Oh wow, but nonetheless guys, sobrang kapal ng cream cheese plus salmon. I wonder anong lasa nito pag magkasama sila. So this is it. Wow! Arigato! So next I wanna introduce to you guys is yung kanilang mga ensaymada. So we have 3 variants, no? Meron tayong Parmesan Ensaimada. We also have queso de bola ensaymada. And then lastly, ito yung pinaka naging interested ako guys. Ito yung kanilang mga stuffed ensaimada. So using their ensaymada buns, and then it's stuffed with fruits and some parang mga jams, no? Say for example, this one is a peach, this one is strawberry, and then this one is banana with chocolate. Yan, so banana with chocolate. So let me start with this one. Ayan. Whoa, have a closer look guys. Ah, diba? Oh, man. Wow. Okay, let me taste it. I think that is a Nutella, no? One more before I give you my word, no? Isa pa please. So first off, yung pinaka-ensaymada bread natin or yung pinaka-bun ng stuffed ensaimada natin, it is so moist, almost a cake. And then, of course, yung fruits natin so fresh. Ayan, ternong-terno yung chocolate and yung banana. Okay, wanna try this one. Lagi yung sinasabi, I'm a strawberry guy, I'm an Oreo guy, kasi yun yung mga favorite ko actually. So this one is one of them. Again, yung ensaymada bun. Plus, meron tayong mga fresh, huge strawberries. Let's taste it. Oh wow, one more. I love the strawberry. Wow, I really like the strawberry, so fresh. A little bit sour, syempre, that's strawberry. I have to comment again, no? I really notice it, yung ensaymada bun natin, your bread natin, it's so moist. Good job, Sir Bing. Okay, wanna try this one? Peach. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Diba? Peach. This time it's peach. Wow. Wow. Ang sarap. Sarap. Parang di ako makapag-move on dito ha. Wow! For the third and final taste dun sa kanilang mga stuffed ensaymada, I gotta commend guys. Ang sarap ng ensaymada nila. So I got really interested kung anong lasa ng mga, of course, yung mga classic ensaymada. These one are parang mga topped with cheese, different kind of cheese. This one's queso de bola, and then the other one naman is a parmesan. So let me taste this one. Parmesan. Na-surprise ako guys. Hindi siya katulad ng mga, ensaymada na when you press it, parang ang nipis na, sobrang nipis na. This one, sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's almost a cake. Different kind of bread, no? Different kind of ensaymada bread. Well, that's what I mean. Okay. So this one is, so this one is their cheese rolls. Go. The same bread dito sa ensaymada natin. Ito yung the same din na ginamit dito. So again, super duper moist. It's really heavy if you try to weigh it. Ayan. Umulan! So what a great way to end the vlog. Medyo umulan na naman dito sa atin. And I'm gonna finish this with some coffee, time with my kids, and of course, very delicious treats coming from Bing's Kitchen. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Bing's Kitchen. We're gonna be providing the link below. So check out the link below. There you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Till our next discovery. Peace. Peace out. Bye-bye.